welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making jam roly-poly. The first thing I've done is cut some greaseproof paper and tin foil and place them on top of each other. I have then rubbed a bit of butter over the top of my greaseproof paper. I have preheated my fan oven to 160 degrees and I'm now taking a roasting tray and filling it 3/4 full with boiling hot water. I'm now going to place this on the bottom shelf of my oven. In my food processor, I'm going to add butter, flour, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm now going to blend it together. I'm now going to add my flour mixture into my bowl. I'm going to add to my mixture suet and milk. I'm going to mix the mixture together until it forms a soft dough. I have lightly floured my surface and I'm going to take my dough ball. I'm going to knead my dough for a little bit. And I'm going to roll it out into a rectangle. You want to make sure it's rolled out 25 centimetres across and 25 centimetres going up. I am now going to take a spoonful of strawberry jam and place it onto my dough. I'm now going to roll up my jam and dough. Where the jam meets the dough, I'm going to pinch the edges. I'm going to bring over my tin foil and greaseproof paper and carefully take my jam roly-poly and lay it joint side down. I'm going to loosely bring the paper and the tin foil around the edge and scrunch it up loosely. I'm now going to place this on the rack above my water and tin and leave it to bake for 1 hour. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.